Imagine a world where every construction project is delivered on time, within budget, and without any clashes between design and execution. A world where architects, engineers, contractors, and building owners collaborate seamlessly, all working from a single source of truth. That world isn't far away. It's here, and it's powered by BIM, or Building Information Modeling. Hi, I'm Vignesh Balu, a BIM Advisor and Consultant, and over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share everything you need to know about BIM, what it is, why it's transforming the construction industry, and how you can leverage it to build smarter and faster. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why BIM is no longer a buzzword. It's a necessity for every successful project. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is BIM? BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. But don't let the word modeling fool you. BIM is much more than just a 3D model. It's an intelligent, data-rich process that captures every aspect of a building or infrastructure project in a single digital environment. Think of BIM as the digital twin of your project. Every wall, beam, pipe, HVAC duct, or electrical cable in the BIM model isn't just geometry. It comes with data. This data can include material specifications, cost estimates, maintenance schedules, and even life cycle information for facility management. Here's another way to think about it. While traditional 2D drawings are like static blueprints, BIM is like a living, breathing ecosystem. It allows stakeholders to visualize the project in 3D, simulate construction sequences, and make informed decisions long before the first brick is laid. The result? Fewer errors, fewer delays, and significant cost savings. So, why does BIM matter now more than ever in 2025? The construction industry is evolving at lightning speed. We're seeing tighter project deadlines, rising costs, and increasing pressure to deliver sustainable and energy-efficient buildings. BIM addresses all these challenges. Did you know that studies show BIM can reduce construction costs by up to 30% and minimize project delays by 50%? That's because BIM enables teams to detect clashes between systems, like mechanical ducts intersecting with structural beams, during the design stage rather than on-site, where changes are expensive and time-consuming. Governments around the world are making BIM mandatory for public projects. Large developers and real estate owners are demanding BIM deliverables because they understand its long-term benefits. The truth is, if you're not adopting BIM today, you're already behind. BIM is no longer a nice-to-have. It's the foundation of modern construction. One of the most common questions I get as a BIM expert is, who exactly is BIM for? The answer is simple. BIM is for everyone in the AEC industry. For architects, BIM allows for accurate visualization of design concepts, instant design modifications, and coordination with structural and MEP teams. For structural engineers, BIM ensures that every load-bearing element is modeled accurately, reducing the risk of conflicts during construction. For MEPF teams, that's mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire protection, BIM is a game changer. Clash detection tools like Navisworks or BIM 360 allow you to resolve conflicts virtually before a single pipe or cable is installed. Contractors benefit from 4D and 5D BIM, which means scheduling and cost estimation are integrated directly into the model. And finally, facility managers can use BIM for building operations, maintenance, and renovations. The same model that was used during construction becomes a valuable asset for the building's entire life cycle. In short, BIM brings every stakeholder together, from concept design to demolition, making projects more predictable and efficient. Now let's talk about one of my favorite topics, BIM and project management. Imagine being able to walk through a construction site virtually months before it's even built. With 4D BIM, we can visualize construction schedules in a timeline-based simulation. This means you can see exactly which tasks will happen in which sequence and identify potential bottlenecks early. Then there's 5D BIM, which connects the model with cost data. This allows project managers to run real-time cost estimates as the design evolves, making budgeting more accurate than ever. And it doesn't stop there. With 6D BIM, We integrate sustainability and energy performance analysis, and with 7D BIM, we move into facility management. These dimensions of BIM empower project managers to make smarter, data-driven decisions and achieve better project outcomes. When I work with clients, one of the most powerful tools I introduce is 4D sequencing. Watching a project come to life in a time-based animation, complete with crane movements, deliveries, and installation sequences, changes the way teams think about planning. Of course, like any powerful technology, BIM comes with challenges. The most common issue I see is the lack of skilled professionals who understand BIM workflows. Many firms still treat BIM as just 3D modeling rather than a collaborative process. Another challenge is data management. With so much information embedded in a BIM model, it's easy to get overwhelmed without proper standards and protocols. Cost is also seen as a barrier. Firms often hesitate to invest in BIM software or training, thinking it's too expensive. But the reality is that the return on investment is massive when you consider the savings from reduced errors, faster approvals, and better project delivery. My advice? Start small, but start smart. Get the right training, adopt BIM standards, and bring in experts who can guide your team through the transition. That's where I come in. I help companies unlock the full potential of BIM step by step. So what's next for BIM? The future is incredibly exciting. We're seeing the rise of digital twins, which are real-time replicas of buildings or infrastructure projects. Imagine a building that constantly updates its digital twin with data from IoT sensors, allowing facility managers to monitor energy usage, detect faults, and optimize performance. Artificial intelligence is also entering the BIM world. AI-driven design tools can suggest optimizations, automate repetitive tasks, and even predict construction delays based on historical data. Then there's AR and VR, augmented and virtual reality. These technologies allow project teams to immerse themselves in a 3D BIM model, walk through a building before construction, or even train workers in a virtual environment. The next decade of construction will be defined by how well we integrate BIM with these cutting-edge technologies. So, there you have it, a complete overview of BIM, why it matters, and where it's headed. My mission as a BIM expert is to help construction professionals like you navigate this digital transformation and achieve smarter, faster, and more sustainable outcomes. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I post regular content on BIM strategies, digital construction trends, and real-world case studies. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, where I share insights from my work with developers, EPC firms, and contractors. Let's build the future together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.